Are you in the market for new bike headsets, but not sure where to start? Look no further, because this video offers valuable insights into the best bike headsets on the market. After extensive research, we compiled a list of recommended products from trusted brands, so you can make an informed choice. To access details about the price and more, refer to my description. Let's proceed with the video promptly. Number 1. Ganiper Headset Spacer for Mountain and Road Bikes. Are you looking to upgrade your bike's headset? Look no further than the Ganiper 1 1/8" headset spacer with stem top cap and headset star nut. With 4 color options to choose from, including black, red, blue, and gold, you can select the perfect match for your bike's color scheme. Made from high-quality aluminum, the headset spacer is both durable and lightweight. Installation is a breeze with the stem top cap and headset star nut included. I personally have used this product on my bike, and have been impressed with its quality and performance. It fits perfectly on my bike, and the color options allowed me to match it to my bike's color scheme. Upgrade your bike's headset with the Ganiper 1 1/8" headset spacer, with stem top cap and headset star nut. It's a high-quality product that is easy to install and looks great on any bike. Number 2. Jessica Double Sealed MTB Bearings Lightweight Headset. If you are looking to upgrade your mountain bike or road bicycle, the Jessica US Stock 1/1/8 threadless double sealed MTB Bearings Lightweight Headset is a great addition. This headset is available in 34/44s 44 to 55/44s to 56mm sizes, making it compatible with a wide range of straight and tapered tube frame forks. The double sealed bearings help keep out dirt and debris, ensuring smooth and reliable performance for years to come. And the best part? It's incredibly lightweight. This makes it an excellent choice for riders who are looking to reduce the overall weight of their bike. The star nut top cap provides a secure fit for the headset. Overall, users have had a positive experience with the Jessica US Stock 1/1/8 threadless double sealed MTB Bearings lightweight headset. It's easy to install and provides a smooth and quiet ride. The double sealed bearings have also been praised for their durability and ability to keep out dirt and debris. And while some users have reported that the headset can be a bit noisy at times, this is a minor issue, and does not detract from the overall performance of the headset. So, if you are looking to upgrade your ride, consider the Jessica US Stock 1/1/8 threadless double sealed MTB Bearings lightweight headset. Number 3. Forbiter Heavy Duty Headset Top Cap Bearings. If you are looking for high-quality headset top cap bearings for your BMX bike, the Forbiter 1/1/8 Heavy Duty Headset Top Cap Bearings are definitely worth considering. These bearings are designed for use with threadless stems, and feature a tapered design for maximum compatibility. They are also sealed to protect against dirt and debris, ensuring a smooth ride every time. One thing users love about these bearings is the easy installation process. And to make things even better, the necessary nuts are included. But what about performance? Well, users have reported that even after extended periods of use, these bearings still perform smoothly and reliably. Now, it's worth noting that some users have reported difficulty adjusting the bearings properly. However, with a bit of trial and error, you should be able to get them tightened just right. Overall, the Forbiter 1/1/8 Heavy Duty Headset Top Cap Bearings are a solid choice for anyone looking for durable, long-lasting bearings for their BMX bike. Just be prepared to pay a bit more than some other options on the market. Number 4. GB Bicycle Headset. Are you looking for a high-quality bike headset that provides excellent durability and performance for your mountain or road bike? Look no further than the GB Bicycle Headset. Made of solid aluminum alloy, this headset features a tapered stack and a straight steer fork bearing, making it ideal for most types of bicycles. This 1 1/8 headset is threadless and fits BMX bikes perfectly. The GB headset is easy to install and designed to keep your bike steering smooth and responsive. With its sleek black finish, the GB headset not only adds an attractive touch to your bike, but it's also an excellent choice for any cyclist looking for a reliable, high-performance headset that will enhance their cycling experience. Get your GB Bicycle headset today, and take your cycling to the next level. Number 5. Kunisl Mountain Bike Headset Kit. Looking for a reliable and durable headset for your mountain bike? Consider the Kunisl Mountain Bike 44/44's headset. Made of durable aluminum alloy, this semi-integrated straight tube fork internal headset kit is designed for 1/1/8 mountain bike head tubes. It includes bearings and a headset spacer for smooth and precise steering. Customers have praised its solid construction, ease of installation, and smooth operation. The included headset spacer allows riders to adjust the handlebar height, making it a versatile choice for all levels of riders. Some users have noted minor noise issues with the bearings, but this hasn't affected the overall performance of the headset. If you are looking for a reliable and durable headset for your mountain bike, consider the Kunisl Mountain Bike 44/44's headset. It's all from my end. I make helpful videos every day, so subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you need more information or want to find out the price of the product, see my description. If there are any problems, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.